I get this question a lot, so I thought I'd make a video about the difference between cold press and hot press watercolor paper. The most obvious difference is the texture. So hot press watercolor paper is manufactured using hot rollers, which creates this nice smooth surface, which makes it easier to draw on. Cold press watercolor paper is manufactured with a cold roller, which creates this lovely bumpy texture. I personally just love using cold press watercolor paper. It just adds like a whole nother element to your piece. And it comes in, all this paper comes in different thicknesses, and the cold press comes in different roughness. So you can even get like super rough. I really love getting these extra large sheets of watercolor paper. You just get so much texture, and it has these lovely natural weathered edges that I think add so much character to your piece. When you're working with this level of thickness, you don't even have to worry about warping, which is great. The downside is that it's harder to draw precise detail like the face when you're working with cold press paper because of all this texture. So sometimes I'll even take like a bone folder and smooth out the area where the face will be, just to make it easier to draw. The second difference is how it absorbs water. They say cold press watercolor paper absorbs water faster, which gives you less time to work with it, while hot press absorbs slower. I don't know if I have the heater on or something, but I found that both paints dried equally fast. Let me know in the comments below if you got different results. Also, cold press watercolor paper can hold a lot more water, so it's better if you're using a lot of wet on wet technique. I also found that masking fluid was easier to remove off cold press watercolor paper because the masking fluid would kind of cling onto the smooth fibrous surface of the hot press paper more. The third difference is the color. Hot press, when dry, tends to be slightly more vibrant. If you would like to learn more about my step-by-step process or get one-on-one advice, you can join my Patreon for only $5. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That would really help me out. Have fun and make art!